When you're planning a bathroom remodel, the most important decision isn't tile, fixtures, or finishes. It's this: who should actually do the work? In 2026, homeowners are choosing between two very different paths: a bathroom remodeling specialist or general home remodelers. Now, both can be great choices depending on your situation. So today, we're here to break down the real differences, the trade-offs, and how to choose the right fit for your home without sales pressure or contractor spin. So what is a bathroom specialist? A bathroom specialist focuses almost exclusively on bathrooms. That means showers, tubs, walk-in baths, wet area remodels, full bathroom renovations, accessibility upgrades, and more. They do these projects every day, which creates deep expertise in waterproofing, ventilation, bathroom-specific code requirements, product integrations, and efficiency timelines. Now, specialists live and breathe bathrooms. That focus matters more than most homeowners realize. So what is a general remodeler? Well, as I'm sure you've already guessed, a general remodeler offers a wider menu of services. Those can include bathrooms, kitchens, roofing, windows, siding, doors, full home upgrades. Their strength is breadth, not depth. If you're doing multiple projects at once, a general remodeler can be a great fit. So here are some of the key differences that will actually matter. 1, expertise and repetition. Bathroom specialists like HomePride complete hundreds of bathrooms per year. General remodelers complete dozens, alongside many other project types. Repetition leads to faster installs, fewer mistakes, and better anticipation of hidden issues. Number 2, scheduling and predictability. In 2026, scheduling matters more than ever. Bathroom specialists schedule bathrooms, period. Your project doesn't complete with roofing seasons or window installs. General remodelers juggle multiple divisions, which can affect timelines, especially during peak seasons. Number 3, product access and support. Now, specialists often hold manufacturer certifications, access to extended warranties, factory training, deeper product lines. General remodelers work with strong products too, but across many categories, not just bathrooms. Pricing and transparency. Now, here's an important truth. Lower initial costs, in quotes, don't always mean lower final costs. Bathroom specialists often price more accurately up front because they know the scope intimately. General remodelers may offer bundled pricing, which can be great, but standalone bathroom pricing can vary depending upon scheduling and subcontractors. So which one is right for you? Well, here's the simplest way to decide. Choose a bathroom specialist if your project is bathroom only, you want a faster, predictable timeline, you need accessibility or aging in place features, you value deep product expertise, and you want minimal disruption. Choose a general remodeler if you're remodeling multiple rooms, you want one contract for many projects, you're coordinating structural or exterior work. Bundle pricing matters more than specialization. Now, neither option is better, they're just different tools for different jobs. So when is a bathroom specialist not the right fit for you? Well, here's something you won't hear from every contractor. Bathroom specialists, including us, are not the right fit for every homeowner. If you're planning a full home remodel, major structural changes, or want one company that manages everything from roof to foundation, a general remodel, or GC as they're called, are often the better choice. The right decision is the one that fits your project, not someone else's process. If you want a deeper breakdown, including questions to ask any remodeler before hiring them, we've laid it all out for you in our Learning Center, available at www.homepridebath.com. And if a bathroom specialist is the right fit for you, we're always happy to walk you through your options with clarity and transparency. Thank you for watching.